cousin Jab. His cousin Jessica is the Elvis impersonating preacher that clog dances when he's filled with the Holy Spirit.
Who you texting? Huh? You gonna send a text to your mama?
Well, you better get good with it then, because we don't
Huh?
want you to think we don't approve.
Well, it's not that. It's just
Text mama, say, Mama, come get me.
keep the Grateful Dead.
Text her.
What?
Boy, you got that thing going, don't you?
And remember, God will punish you if you are.
Roseanne.
Hey, you got to say what you And you're going to church. Well, so why didn't you tell us before? Because I thought you made fun of me. DJ, give us a little credit. Why would you make fun of me?
Dear Mom,
It is your face.
please bring milk.
Okay, go out here. Dan, you want to sit here and talk to?
Uncle Dan and Aunt Lori are great.
Well, I wanted to tell you. I just had some questions about God and stuff.
Well, so why didn't you come to us and had questions? You want to?
I am having such a good time here.
Dan,
Please let me stay another day.
I have no idea, Dan.
Well, my family's Pentecostal on my mom's side, Baptist on my dad's.
Come to think of it,
Mom's mom was
just send the milk.
Jewish.
So what do we believe?
Well,
See you in a week or two.
we believe in being good. Some people believe we're good.
Love,
Yeah, but we're not practicing.
Caden.